Hey. Hey guys, yeah, I've forgotten my lines. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl here, Mama K, as always. Yeah, welcome back to the exciting video, guys. I know you've been asking where is Mama K, where is Mama K, but Mama K is back. Yes, it was not an intentional break. It was not intentional, trust me, guys. And thanks for everyone who reached out to me for your calls and everything. Like, I am grateful, guys. I am grateful. Trust me, we are back. We are back and we are doing great things, guys, on this channel. So yes, guys, while I was away, someone saw my beautiful collections in one of my videos, and she requested I make a video for her and show her where I get all these things from. But in this video, I will not be taking you to where I get them from. Probably in the next vlog, I'll be taking you around the house. Guys, fun facts, I am a lover of antiques and vintage. Trust me, guys, when I take you to that warehouse, if you don't stand well, you just spend everything there because they have beautiful collections. And I got some, you know, some of my decos, they are antiques and they are vintage, and trust me, they last longer. They are very good, very, very good, guys. With that being said, let's dive right into this video, guys. So guys, this is my research area. As you can see, my encyclopedia in different volumes. You can see my dictionary, my antiques book. Yeah. And these are my beautiful doors, and this is my floating crystal table lamp. Like, guys, this is so beautiful, so beautiful. So guys, this is my beautiful vintage deco plates. As we all know, this is a Royal Doulton collection. Like, it's so beautiful. This is made in the year 1986. I also have other collections, the one made in 1979 and 1983. So guys, when I was about you know, rehearsing for this video, that was when my beautiful, this is my favorite, it got broken, guys. Like, it was so horrible. But this is the Art of Choking collection. As you can see there, it is plated with 24 karat gold, as you can see. In case you don't know about Art of Choking, this is an ancient piece of art made in Japan. Yes, it is so ancient. It was made in Japan. As you can see, this is so beautiful, guys. This is one of my Romano collection, as you can see. Yeah, my Romano collection. So guys, this is candelabro, as you saw previously. This is like where you put your you know, your candle, either for dinner, date, you know, for any celebration. These are my vintage collections, as you can see. So beautiful. This is my vintage table lamp. So beautiful. And this is my mirror, guys. This is my vintage mirror. Trust me, if I can bring this thing down for you, like, it's very heavy, it's made of, you know, very solid wood. Like, this is so ancient. So guys, these are my vintage frames. As you can see, so beautiful, so beautiful. Yes, guys. This one actually is made in Rhodesia, as Rhodesia was former Zimbabwe and Zambia. Ah, guys, I can tell you that this is my most ancient frame in the house. Like, it is made of solid wood, the leather is so genuine, the copper there is so good. These are other collections too, other vintage, beautiful collections. This is another vintage frame. You can see so beautiful. And this is another section of my research area, guys. You can see, as we all know, knowledge is power, guys. Knowledge is power. And this is one of my most expensive vintage collection. This is Chesterfield sofa. Trust me, this is handmade. It's handmade, like, it's so ancient. It's a genuine leather, so genuine. Like, it is very good. Trust me, guys. If I take it to that way house, you better stand well. Stand well, because you want to visit there and, you know, stand well. So guys, this is my favorite and it's one of my most expensive also. This is the most expensive collections I have in this house. Very expensive. Go on a tour to the warehouse so you see beautiful things, but you have to stand well. If not, you will just empty your bank account. So guys, I think we'll be coming to an end to this beautiful vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.